Description: lightweight 2-in-1 leave-in treatment and styling cream that instantly seals split ends. Benefits: damaged or chemically treated hair, any hair type with raggedy split ends. Suggested use: please see packaging for details. Every bottle is full of super stuff. We hunted down one of the potent natural ingredients, sea buckthorn. This superfruit is one of the few plant sources of the fatty acid omega-7, typically found in fish oil, making it the ultimate holy grail ingredient for healthy hair and scalp. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. I very rarely splurge on hair products, but for this one I always will. I already have extremely thick hair, so when I add the frizz of the flat iron, it instantly looks poofy rather than sleek, but the instant I smooth this cream into the ends everything lays down, and looks salon perfect. The best part is it makes my hair smell so good.